viewers. Thank you for watching Music and Me with Anuradha. I'm Anuradha, and please don't forget to subscribe and watch the videos and share the link with your friends and family. So look out for some different videos this year. In 1978, Kamal Hassan Sridevi starred Sigappu Rojakal was a psychological thriller. It was a murder movie and was based on the crimes committed by Raman Raghav, a serial killer, and was also inspired by another serial killer who was based in Mumbai but was originally from Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu. Now, this was made by Bharati Raja and was a complete departure for him from his usual themes because he usually had movies which were set in villages. So, this was a totally different scenario for him. And Bharati Raja, in fact, went on to remake this film in Hindi as well as Red Rose with Rajesh Khanna and Poonam Dhillon playing the leads. Today's song, Ninevu Oru Paravai, was sung by Kamal Hassan and S. Janaki. Yes, you heard me right, it was sung by Kamal Hassan. That happened because the music director, Ilaiyaraaja, happened to attend a concert where he heard Kamal Hassan singing an English song at the concert and he hit the high notes very well. So he was very impressed and requested him to sing this song, which he agreed. So, singing Ninevu Oru Paravai today with me will be Arun.
நினைவோர் பறவை விரிக்கும் அதன் சிறகை பறக்கும் அது கலக்கும் தன்னுறவை நினைவோர் பறவை ரோஜாக்களில் பன்னீர் துளி வழிகின்றது அது என்ன தேன்
அதுவல்லவோ பருகாத தேன் அதை இன்னும் நீ பருகாததே
அதற்காகத்தான் அலைபாய்கிறேன் இல்லாமல் நான் குளிர் காய்கிறேன், அதற்காகத்தான் மடி சாய்கிறேன்.
மடியில் உன் மணியோஞ்சலோ,
நீதான் இனி நான் தான், நினைவோ ஒரு பறவை விரிக்கும் அதன் சிறகை, பறக்கும் அது கலக்கும் தன்